Okay, well, we've got a basket of parts that we blued up today. All this stuff's been sandblasted. This is the adjustment plate for on the Moldmaster. That's the way it looks. The handle. And here we've got all our riser parts. This stuff, after it's blued, why it ends up in a water displacing oil tank. So that's what we're wiping off here, is just the remnants of that oil. We leave it on there because it does help protect it a little bit and help set, depending on the condition of the bluing salts, why you'll pull a little bit of brown smut out of the tanks. It'll usually wipe off on your rags. I'm not seeing too much of it here. As bluing salts get old, why that becomes more of an issue. And here's our little top bracket that we built to hold or that we added the angle on to hold the temperature probe. That's the way that looks once it's all said and done. Let's go ahead and start assembling some of this stuff. There's going to be our pot. I didn't get too excited about cleaning the pot up or doing anything real spectacular with it, because it's going to it will burn everything off and seat itself in, and we'll clean it up a little bit more when we're all done. So anyway, our heating element goes in underneath. That sits in there. And then I believe the whole assembly now we'll take it apart and do it the right way. was a little bit traumatic there. Okay, one of them is a standard bolt, quarter 20. This one's quarter 28 for the fancy little fitting that they made for it. Now, let me look here. I think we can put everything else back together. Let's see, I believe before I put that on there, when I fitted this up, I had to put the temperature probe in first, because I think we didn't have enough clearance to get everything situated. Okay, so that's the way it'll set down inside. I don't know if that's a very good view of that in there or not, if you can see that probe down in the bottom. Not quite to the bottom of the pot and off the side of the pot. There's clearance all the way around. So this will run off this way. And next thing is to get our box, mount our PID, and get that wired, and then we'll finish this up. So if you enjoy these videos, why, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like them and found them useful. And any comments, suggestions, or complaints, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for taking the time to watch.